Hello everyone, we are here with the next part of our trip to Switzerland. To get the best view of Interlaken, paragliding is the best option, but that's very expensive. So we'll go to Harder Kulm today to get the best view. The Harder Kulm is one of the popular mountain of Bernese Oberland. This is almost 4,324 feet, which is 1,322 meters above from sea level. From Harder Kulm, we can see the panoramic view of Interlaken. It will cost us 38 Swiss franc, which is almost 35 pound. We need to go Interlaken station to collect our ticket. So we are going towards the station now. Before the station, we can see international food festival organized here. Hundreds of food stalls are here from different countries. Okay, we are now at Interlaken station. We'll collect our tickets from here. We have collected our tickets with half fare card. Make sure when you collect your half fare card, you must carry your passport. They won't issue any half fare card or any types of discount card without your passport. If you have half fare card, you will get most of your ticket, at least 10-70% of ticket at half price. Half fare card is not only for Harder Kulm, it's also can be used in various rides and other activities as well, including some train tickets. You can see that I have taken Harder Kulm tickets, which is usually 38 franc, but I have got it for half price. You can get this half fare card from online as well as any station. So if you want to avoid a long queue, you must take it from online. So let me show you how the half fare card looks like. You can see it's written switch half fare card. Up to 50% discounts on first and second class tickets within 1 month. So this half fare card's validity is 1 month. You can see I paid 120 Swiss franc for one half fare card. As we are 2 adults and 2 children, I got 2 half fare card for 240 Swiss franc. And I got 2 children, so we got 2 family fare card, which is free. As we got 2 adults, so 2 half fare card, 2 family half fare card free. However, let's go to Harder Kulm. You can see Harder Bern. From here we'll go to Harder Kulm by a special train, which looks like lift. Some people call it funicular ride. We are now in the train. Lots of passengers around me. This train made the way the passenger won't understand they are going up or coming down. The balancing system is very nice. It will take 10 to 12 minutes to go up. So let's enjoy the journey. We are now on Harder Kulm, on top of the mountain, which is 4,324 feet above. I can see a very beautiful view from here. That must be favorite place for natural lovers. You can see the viewpoint of Harder Kulm. It looks like this. From here, you can see the edge of Eiger, Monch, and Yangfru Mountains. Also, you can see from here the joining point of two lakes and the best sky view of Interlaken. Harder Kulm open from April to November, so you won't be able to visit apart from this time. There is no other way to come here except this train. Here you'll find the hotel named Harder Kulm Hotel with a panoramic cafe. You can see the 360 views from here. Not only that, here there is a beautiful rooftop to view sunrise. After staying for a long time, it's time to go now, as the last train will go after some times and I don't want to miss it, and it will be very crowded at that last moment. We are on the station to go back. Already a long queue started from here. Thank you all for watching today's video. To watch our previous videos, you need to visit the description box below, where you will find all the video links and the playlist. Also, you can subscribe our channel to get our next videos. Very soon, I'll be back with the next episode of Trip to Switzerland. Till then, bye-bye.